What is chemical engineering? An engineer who take into consideration the resources required, the functions and usage of operational, perfect flow of the process, protecting environment, health and safety, when converting a raw material to a useful product through various processes, in scale to world demand quantity. What is electrical technology? Electrical technology is a study that deals with machines, devices and systems in which a current flow through conductors and metals. Engineering involves high-voltage systems and components such as motors, generators, electrical power distribution and control systems for operating light and heavy machinery.
What is the relation between these two? We have researched deep and came up with the relationship under three categories: importance, understanding, usage.
Importance. There are two specific branches we're going to explore. Safety. Sustainability. In safety, large-scale operation requires extensive amount of electricity. It is dangerous to the health and safety for workers and dangerous for the plants. Chemical engineers has to play a role in prevention of electrical accident through the operational unit itself and making sure operational unit must be accepting the right amount of voltage so that it either will not explode or be non-functional. In sustainability, operational units are linked to each other through stream as how the elements connected in circuit. This help us to design a better flowing process in industries. We would definitely make those units parallel to each other. So, when one of the unit is faulty, we could still run the process smoothly.
Next is understanding. Chemical engineer controls processes by process control unit, which is electrical-based component. So, we need to understand and know what the values there means and how to manipulate to acquire desired amount. Some operational units require either AC or DC, so we need understanding on which units prefer which currents and how to interchange in between. Conclusively, a chemical engineer does not know how to design circuits for electrical devices, but he may be engaged in actual production of such devices.
Lastly, in usage, has another two specific branches we're going to explore: power, electrochemical.
Power is usually the responsibility of electrical engineers, but chemical engineer needs to know enough to talk intelligently about power when needs explanation to other engineers. Closest where chemical engineer work is power for lighting system in petroleum refining plant where light must work all days and nights to detect leakage in the pipeline or unit operations. A proper distribution power enables all the unit operations in the plant to work at maximum power. Electrochemical processes such as fuel cells, electroplating, electrochemical machining also uses various electrical components. For the extraction of aluminium from bauxite through electrolysis, graphite is used as electrodes in the reactor. In order to make this process work, a constant and continuous supply of electrical energy is needed. During the process, the temperature in the reactor is maintained through the electrical resistance.